Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply animation to this website. So let's jump into Figma and get started. I designed this website in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, check it out first. To animate it, first reduce the frame size and duplicate it. In the first frame, select the image and resize it. Now rotate this image and this one also. Now select these images and set their opacity to 0. Move the text to the left. Reduce the opacity of this bento box. Move this text upwards and push the buttons downwards. Rotate this image. Now connect the two frames using after delay for 500 ms, smart animation, slow curve for 1000 ms. Let's preview it. Duplicate the second frame and resize it. Reduce the image and shape sizes. And adjust the position. Move the about section to the left and move the cards to the left too. Move the divider line down. In the third frame, select all the sections and move them upwards until you see the next section clearly. Connect the second and third frame using on-drag interaction is in out for 2000 ms. Duplicate the third frame and resize it. Let's move the arrows behind the cards. In next frame, move all the section upwards. Connect the frames using on-drag interaction. Send the arrows back in the fourth frame. Now duplicate the frame and resize it. Since the next section is long, I don't want it fully. I only want this card to be visible. Move these cards opposite to the direction. And move this card downwards. Now connect the frames. Duplicate the fifth frame and resize it. Move this card downward and this one slightly upward and push the footer down. And finally connect the frames. And that's it. Now you created animation for your website in Figma. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Till then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.